Hi, yeah, it's me again, your local genius scientist. Today I tried to understand energy, and now my phone is at 1%. I thought energy gets used up. Turns out it just changes outfits. Light is energy. Wi-Fi is energy. My motivation was energy. Energy doesn't disappear. It just goes somewhere. More annoying. When I need it, it's gone. When I don't, it's everywhere. But here's the crazy part. Energy is never lost. It's just avoiding responsibility. Science happens. So yes, if my Wi-Fi drops again, I blame physics. Support these genius experiments.